Hey there, honey enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're buzzing with excitement as we dive deep into the sweet world of honey. From its ancient medicinal uses to its modern-day controversies, we're covering everything you need to know about this golden elixir. First things first, let's talk benefits. Did you know that honey isn't just delicious but also packs a punch when it comes to healing? Studies have shown that honey possesses remarkable wound-healing properties, making it a go-to remedy for burns and cuts. Plus, its antibacterial properties can help fight off infections and soothe sore throats. Talk about a multi-talented superstar. Now, let's talk about how honey is made. It all starts with our hardworking friends, the honeybees. They collect nectar from flowers using their proboscis and store it in their honey stomachs. Once back at the hive, they regurgitate the nectar and fan it with their wings to reduce its moisture content. Inside the hive, bees work together to turn the nectar into honey by adding enzymes and reducing its water content. It's a fascinating process of teamwork and precision engineering. But where did this magical substance originate, you ask? Well, honey has been a staple in medicinal practices for over 5,000 years, revered by ancient civilizations for its healing properties. From the Egyptians to the Greeks, honey was hailed as a natural remedy for everything from coughs to skin ailments. It's like nature's own pharmacy. Now, let's delve into the health benefits of incorporating honey into your daily routine. Not only does honey serve as a natural energy booster, but it also soothes sore throats, alleviates allergies, and even enhances athletic performance. Its antibacterial properties make it a potent ally in wound healing and skin care as well. So, is using honey daily advisable? Absolutely. When consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet, honey can contribute to overall health and well-being. Its complex blend of carbohydrates provides sustained energy, while its array of vitamins and minerals nourish the body from within. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is honey production sustainable? While honeybees play a crucial role in pollination and ecosystem health, industrial beekeeping practices can have detrimental effects on native bee populations and biodiversity. It's essential for us to support ethical and sustainable beekeeping practices to protect our buzzing friends and the environment. The sweet stuff. But before you indulge, let's talk about its nutritional profile. While honey is naturally sweet and can serve as a sugar substitute, it's crucial to consume it in moderation. Too much honey can contribute to excess calorie intake and pose risks for conditions like diabetes and obesity. Remember, balance is key. Speaking of moderation, let's not overlook the risks associated with honey consumption. Did you know that raw honey can contain spores of Clostridium botulinum bacteria, leading to a rare but serious condition known as botulism, especially in infants? It's essential to exercise caution, especially when giving honey to young children. Now, let's talk about the diverse array of honey varieties out there. From the light and delicate acacia honey to the robust and flavorful buckwheat honey, each type of honey offers its unique taste and characteristics. So, how often should you consume honey? Well, it depends on your dietary needs and preferences. While honey can be a nutritious addition to your diet, it's essential to enjoy it in moderation and opt for raw, unprocessed varieties whenever possible. Beyond its nutritional benefits, honey holds a sacred place in traditional medicine systems worldwide. From Ayurveda to traditional Chinese medicine, healers have long revered honey for its therapeutic properties, using it to treat everything from respiratory ailments to skin conditions. What's the verdict? Well, like most things in life, moderation is key. Enjoy honey as part of a balanced diet and reap its delicious benefits without overindulging. And now, let's get creative in the kitchen with some tantalizing honey-inspired recipes. From honey-glazed vegetables to decadent honey-infused desserts, the possibilities are endless. Not only do these dishes tantalize the taste buds, but they also harness the nutritional benefits of honey in delicious ways. So, there you have it, the sweet and sometimes sticky situation of honey. From its ancient origins to its modern-day uses, honey continues to captivate and intrigue us. Remember to enjoy honey mindfully, support sustainable beekeeping practices, and savor every golden drop. Thanks for joining us on this honey-filled journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay tuned.